Has everyone opened it?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Okay, and I've opened it.
Okay, very good. So I'm going to repeat. We are going to create a game with computer. So there will be two players. One player would be you, second player would be computer. And the game would be to toss a coin. When you toss a coin,
So the first sprite will be a coin then, right?
yes. Yes, we
Sir,
are.
can you just put only 2 players, no computers and not
Two.
players, not the computer?
Yes. Okay, you make it player one, player two. Okay, so let me first explain the game.
What are we doing? I forgot.
So the game is we are going to toss a coin,
Okay.
and if heads come, then you win. If tails come, then computer wins or player two wins. Okay.
Okay. Understood.
Right. So now
It's
we
like
will first.
cricket. It's like cricket.
But
When
like
you toss
there's
the
no
coin.
coin.
Okay, now everyone should look at what I'm going to do on Vihan's screen. Okay, Vihan, can you go to Sprite and select a paint? Vihan, I will draw on your screen and then everyone should do. So coin is round.
Wait
Correct.
then.
First have a round over here.
Wait, sir, let me just put it in the of the coin.
Okay, let's have a circle.
We have to put it in the middle.
Yes, in the middle. Okay, and make sure the circle inside should be transparent. So it should be all white. Okay.
A white circle then.
Yes.
I should paint it white, sir.
Yes, very good, Vihan. Everyone has done?
So I'm going to do it now.
I can't find the white thing. Wait.
You have to
Sir,
change Anya the
backdrop,
fill.
right? Sir, backdrop.
No, it is a costume, right? So you have to create a sprite.
Hi. Okay.
Everyone did that?
No, sir, I'm having trouble finding the white color.
White color. White color is in the fill, Anya. Do you see fill?
Sir, should we delete the cat sprite?
Yes, cat sprite you have to delete. Or Anya, can you share your screen?
She can do the Saturn to 0.
Okay. Vihan, if you can stop sharing, let Anya share for a moment.
Does it have to be white?
If you can share your screen, Anya. Okay, very good. Now do one thing.
So I'm done.
Now change this fill. Go over here, change the fill and make it
White.
yes. Just
So where is the
saturation.
white
Bring saturation to your left. Bring
Bring
saturation to your left. Very good. Okay.
It's not white, it's still like
Yes,
a
we will
bluish.
get it white. We'll get
press
it white.
that full fit.
Change color. Change color. Keep on changing color.
Sir,
Or do one thing. Can you delete this? Let's go and delete this. I think we have to start it again. Let's go and delete the sprite. Go and
So I
delete
know
this
how to
sprite.
do this, sir.
Again, go and to paint.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Now
Behind knows
change
how
the
to do it, then
fill.
I can give him remote control of my screen.
No, Anya, you should do it. Change the fill first. Fill. And click over here, color 0. click over here.
It's a complex mechanism that consists of
Yeah. I think it's.
brakes, hydraulics, and of course the wheels and tires.
Yeah. Now what do I do?
Just give me 1 second. Okay? Can you give remote control to Agam? Agam, can you take remote control of first machine?
Yes, sir.
Intuitive. Think about water skis. When a skier is moving across the water surface, their skis are
Sir, there's a video playing.
otherwise both the skier and the skis would go under the water.
So someone is playing Sing Bright Side.
Pilots must point the
Yes, sir.
Sir, do we have to do this again?
Yes, sir. I have made this.
Okay, very good. So
But
everyone
we
has
have to
done.
do it again. Yes, sir. I've done.
Okay, so everyone has
So we
created
have
the
to
first.
put it in the center.
Yes, Dhruv, in the center.
Okay.
Now Anya, make this sprite name as coin. Make this
Wait,
name of
sir.
sprite as coin.
Sir, it's been put in the center.
Yes, it is in center. Coin, very good.
Okay. Yeah.
Now change the costume name to head.
So coin name
And
is
his sprite
Coin.
name is coin and costume name is head. Okay, everyone has done that.
1
Bihan, you have
second.
done it.
COIN coin.
No, sir.
Agam, you have done this. Kevin,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
okay, very good.
Okay, sir, I've done
So
it.
we have to create one more.
I'll tell you. Now the head, if you want to create a head, right? So Anya, I'm going to draw on your screen. You all have to do it using one of those. Okay. So we are going to create a crown. So how does a crown look like? Like this, and we will do it like this. Correct? This is how a crown look like. So
Yeah.
if everyone can create a crown inside this circle, you have to make use of this paintbrush.
Sir, can we put another color?
Yes, if you like another color, you can put Vihan. So head will have a crown, okay? So again, I'm going to draw the crown, how it should look like.
So what color should the crown be?
It's up to you. If you want red color, you can have red color.
So my crown is not the best, but I tried. My crown isn't the best, sir, but I
Which
tried.
color is your crown?
Red.
Red color. Okay, she is drawing very beautiful. Okay, very good, Anya. Okay, everyone has drawn the first crown. Vihan,
Yes,
you have
sir.
done it.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait, sir. I'll just try again to draw the crown.
Okay. Kevin, you have done it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Agam has done. Dhruv has also done. Now we will create one more costume. Okay.
Sir, I'm redoing it.
Okay, I'm done, sir.
Sir, I'm redoing it.
Redoing it. Okay.
I'm bad at coloring on the computer. Crown color's blue, sir.
Color is up to you. Which color you like. Okay.
My crown
Yeah,
color.
I'm gonna do blue. Me and Vihan love blue.
Blue color. Okay. So you like to swim also.
Yeah.
Both of us do.
Okay.
I like red and blue.
Yeah, I
Red
like
and-
blue as well. Blue is my favorite color too.
Very good,
Mine
Anya.
too. So mine too.
Okay, now everyone has done it. We will create one more costume. Okay, so create one more
Okay, sir.
costume, Anya. Go and
So
create one
should
more
we
costume.
duplicate?
Yes, if you know how to duplicate,
So I've
let's
already
duplicate.
done.
So again, we will have a circle. Again, we will have a circle. For the new costume, again, we will have a circle.
Translucent, right, sir?
So I deleted the thing.
Then, Vian, you have to do it very fast.
I did the circle.
Circle you did?
Yeah, it's white in color again.
Okay. Now we are going to create a, now this costume, can you name it as tail? Change the costume name to tail.
So how to spell tail?
T-A-I-L.
Tail, Vihan.
Very good.
So for this also it should be crown, sir.
No,
Oh, that's
for this, we
okay.
will do a different tail. Okay, so tail would be something I'm going to draw. Please have a look at it. You will have something like this. Okay, a Y.
Oh, why?
And let's have it in a different color. Okay, Vian, you have done it.
So what should we draw?
Sir, done and right.
We
Tail,
should
right?
have white.
Why?
Yes.
So I'm going to do Y as red.
Okay.
Me too. So Y, right? The letter Y.
Yes, alphabet Y.
So should
Okay,
we
done,
draw
done.
it or should we write it?
Whichever way you find it easy, Kevin. Agam done?
Yes, I am doing so.
Okay. So what we have done so far, we have a coin. That coin has got two costumes. First costume is head and the second costume is tail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let her also complete.
Okay.
We draw a tail like this, like
I'm
an
done.
actual
All
tail.
right. Okay. If you like it like this, we can have it like that. Okay. Okay. Now let me go to Vihan's screen. Okay. Vihan, please
Wait.
share. Oh, very good, Vihan. Now we will create one more sprite. Let's create one more sprite using paint.
Duplicate, sir.
No, sprite, not a costume, sprite. Go to paint and create one more sprite.
Okay, sir.
Then make a circle again. Circle again.
So white in color.
It should be, yeah, the background should be white. And within that circle, you should write click to toss. Okay. Dhruv, you are able to do
Yes,
it?
sir.
So within this circle, you should write click to toss. Make that circle big.
Go to alphabet, sir.
Yes, yeah, alphabet. Go to alphabet
Wait, so this thing.
and type click to toss. Anya, you have done that?
No, sir. Wait. I'm doing something. I'm creating my. Why do we have to write click to toss?
You have to create a new sprite, Anya.
Wait, I'm still doing the other one, the tail sprite.
Wait,
Okay.
so this thing is too small.
You can make the circle big, right?
Yes, sir. I turned it to level 3. I
Okay, come. Come.
My order is only 98 rupees.
Okay, what have you added?
One the good day biscuit, 50 onion.
Onion, okay. Then Rajma, you please add.
So what is the going
I don't
Click to
just-
toss.
I
Click
don't, please.
CLICK to
No, you have to
toss.
trust me now. You have to now let
Agam, you have done that?
Yes,
What is spelled toss,
take
sir?
over this.
TOSS.
Yes, but then the cooking will also be the
That also you can take over.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay, then bring your circle in the center.
Good luck wala चाहिए.
Yeah, good luck. You can order half kg.
Oh, there's some
Sir, did we
background.
write
sir-
anything? Did we write anything?
What do we have to do after we've done the tail sprite?
You have to create a new sprite, Anya.
So we have to create a new
A white
sprite?
circle which is click to toss then, right?
Correct, Anya.
In the middle?
In the middle.
Sir, so this is
Sir,
button, sir. So this is the button.
Yes, this is the button. Okay, everyone done?
Sir?
No, sir.
Sir?
Hello, Naman.
Sir, I entered.
Naman?
sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
have to create new one, right, sir?
Yes, Naman, you have to create a new sprite. Can you just see the sprite, Naman? Okay, Naman, can you share your screen? Okay, so everyone should watch with what Naman is doing and make sure you also are doing the same thing, okay? Let's delete the cat, Naman. Go to paint over here, the sprite, select paint. First create a circle, create a circle, make fill as white, make saturation as 0.
Remove thingy.
Okay.
No,
then,
not this.
Then go to text,
What is that?
and over here write down click to toss.
Click to toss.
Sir, only
Yes.
one of my sprites is showing.
Okay, I'll come to you, Anya. Let me first help. Just type over here. No, Naman, don't delete it.
Sir, वो छोटा बना था.
कोई बात नहीं, we can make it big later on, right?
26. It's not a 1%.
Now, okay. Now go to T, yeah. Now type click to toss. CLICK. Click to toss. Change the color. If you type, yeah, just change the color. Make it, yeah. Just change the color.
This one is playing.
Okay, just click somewhere outside and then type click to toss.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Done, very good. Naman, can you select this part? Select this
So I'm very confused.
and then click over here, yes, and then delete it. Then again go to text, very good. And now type click to toss. CLICK, click to toss. Now let me go to Anya's screen. Yes, Anya, please share your screen.
Toss.
Toss. TOSS. Naman, you have to stop sharing. Let Anya share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anya, very good. So you are also good. Okay, so now let
But
me
the sprite isn't showing. Only
No, it
the
is-
click to toss one is.
wait. Don't do anything. Just grant me. Okay.
Boundary. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just checking how much charge is on the laptop, sir.
Okay. All right. Now let me go back to Naman's screen. Anya, just stop sharing. Naman, done?
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan.
I think my laptop will go dead.
Go dead. You have to get a battery backup then.
Half battery.
Then you can switch off your video, Vihan.
Okay, sir.
Naman, waiting for you to share. Okay, now Naman, create one more sprite. Go over here, create one more sprite. Go to paint, make a circle again.
Do we have to do this too?
No, it is only for Naman. Go to fill, make it saturation. Yeah, very good. Okay. Now, using this paint, Naman, you have to create a crown. Okay, so crown would be something like this. Okay.
Okay, sir. सर कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा.
You have to change the color over here, right? Fill color you have to change. Okay. Now select this thing, Naman. Wait. Don't do that. I'll tell you. Select this and select your circle. Select your circle, circle, and make your circle inside that. Very good. Okay. Now, can you go over here on your costume? Right click and say duplicate. Now, you have to select this internal thing, select the internal, this part, and click delete. Yeah, click delete over here. Not working?
He is selecting the other mouse.
Okay. Can you help him with remote control?
Yes, sir. Except my remote control.
Naman, accept my remote control.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I have done that.
Okay, can you create a tail for him over here?
Okay, sir.
So I didn't do.
You have done that, Vihan. We all have done this. It's only Naman has not done. We're just
The
helping
tail
him.
I haven't done.
You have done, Vihan. There are two costumes for the coin, right?
Yes, sir.
So one is head costume, second is tail costume.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
What's happening? It's
okay.
it's coming here, there.
Okay. Now we will start doing coding. Kevin, please share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if we are start to do coding for it. Okay. Our costume, everything is done. We will start doing coding. Okay.
First for heads and tails, sir.
Okay.
should
First we will do it for click to toss. Okay. Everyone ready?
Sir.
Naman is not stopping the share, sir.
Okay. Naman, please stop share. Okay. Okay, Kevin, let's start coding. Okay. So go and select the sprite, click to toss.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sir,
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay.
now should we like continue
Yes, you
doing
have
the
to.
thing now?
Yeah, now you have to do it. What Kevin is doing. So you have to select that. Now we'll do coding for the click to toss sprite. Uh, go to events. Go to events. There will be something called as when the sprite is clicked. Very good. Then after that, there would be a broadcast. Just drag and drop broadcast. In the message, type message flip, FLIP. Let's wait for others to do this, okay? Everyone should do this thing, what Kevin has done. Everyone has done that?
No, sir.
we do, sir?
What is that, Vihan?
What should we do, sir?
You have to do coding, Vihan, now for click to toss. Look at what Kevin has done.
What code is it?
This is for when you click on it, when the sprite is clicked. Can you see the blocks that Kevin has added?
It's I just saw one block. Wait. Okay, sir.
So which is the next block? Broadcast block.
Broadcast,
Flip.
flip, okay?
Broadcast message one, and after
Yes, then you have to change the message one, you have to say flip over there, okay? Now let me go to Dhruv's
So
screen, okay, Dhruv?
when I put broadcast flip,
Yeah, Dhruv, please share your screen.
yes, sir, 1 minute.
Anya, you have done that?
Yes, sir.
Done what? Oh, yeah, I've done this, yeah.
Broadcast
Okay.
flip.
Very good, okay. Everyone has done this?
I
Yes, sir.
created a new message, sir. Flip.
Very good. Yeah, we have to create a new message, okay? Now, Naman, you have done this?
so now should we just watch?
No, have you added these two or not?
Yes,
Vihan?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will do coding for the next sprite, the coin sprite. Now let's go to the coin sprite, okay? So very first thing what we will do, go to variables,
Does it have to be in Y or crown? Does it have to be in heads or tails?
No, you are doing coding for a sprite now, okay? Not for the costume.
Yeah, but which costume should it be in
Make a
Y or
variable,
crown?
right? sir?
That costume doesn't matter, Anya, as of now. So we just have to select that sprite. Have you selected that sprite?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now we will create two variables. Make a variable. The first variable is heads. Let's say
heads.
first. Yes.
I thought player one.
Okay. Let's do play. You want to play against computer?
No, sir. It's okay. We'll do head tails.
Okay. So we'll say head and create one more variable by name tail.
So what's player spelling?
PLAYER. YER. PLAYER.
I put this
So we will have two variables. The first variable is heads. The second variable is tails.
So
Everyone did?
head and tail 0 point.
Anya, you have done that?
No.
Yeah.
I finished it, so I have to another variable.
Okay. Create one more variable.
Sir, it is not like this. It is coming red color.
What is color coming red color?
TALES scales, sir.
I'll come to you, Agam, your screen, okay?
Sir, TALES scales. Sir,
TAIL.
TAIL.
L.
Yes.
So heads and tail. In cricket, it's called head and tails.
Okay.
AILs.
All right.
He's going the cricket way.
Okay. Everyone is done. Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
TALES, sir.
What is that?
Tail. S.
Yes.
TAILS.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay. Then, can you drag and drop the set block? Let's drag and drop the set block.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This set block. And say set head to 0 and again drag and drop that block and say, yeah, let's drag and drop the block first. Say set tail to 0. Very good.
Sir, it is coming set my variable. When I click on that, it is not coming that. It is only come that you have made one variable only. But
Okay,
I have,
Agam, please share your screen.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. See head and tail. See this, sir.
Okay. You have created a list. Let's remove this. You have to create a variable, okay?
Okay, sir.
Create a variable, make a variable.
Sir, did you do anything?
Not yet, not yet. You all have created two variables and then drag and drop the
Yeah.
set blocks. Everyone is done?
You saw me, sir.
So should we join both the heads?
Yes, both the blocks, because when our program starts, we want head and tail count to be 0. One more time, Agam.
Sir, I have to ask you something. Can we do this line for this and this? Because
1 minute, sir.
Agam, first let's go back to your code, Agam. Your code is not complete.
okay, sir.
Add one more set block. You have to set both head and tail as 0. Add one more below that.
So I put heads and tails.
Very good. Okay, now let me go to Anya's screen. Anya, please share.
So can I share?
Let her first share after that. Very good. Now we will continue to code, okay? Can you go to events? Go to events. Do you have something called as when I receive? Yes. Drag and drop this. When I receive.
When I receive flip.
Over here, Anya. Do not attach it.
So in controls.
Yes. No, it is in events. When I receive flip, okay.
Yes, sir.
Then go to
This
control.
is for coin, right?
Yes, we are doing for coin. Go to and then drag and drop the repeat block. Do you have a repeat block?
So wait, so,
Repeat 10.
Yes.
so now wait, now I have to go to repeat control, sir.
Yeah, in control you will have repeat block, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Dhruv,
Then,
what are you singing?
Something none of our business.
okay. Now let's go to operators. Go to operators
Done.
and drag and drop this pick random inside this, Anya.
Pick random
In
from 1 to 10,
repeat,
sir.
Yes.
Pick random 1
Done.
to 10.
And Anya, just change
So
this
done.
to 5. Make instead of 1, make it 5. 5 and make this as 35. Very good.
5 and
35.
so first one is what?
5.
First one is 5. Next
The
one
next
is
one is 35.
35.
And
It
then
is
go
5,
to
sorry.
looks. Go to looks.
Lucas. Okay.
Go to looks.
Then next costume.
And very good. Drag and drop next costume inside this.
I did that, sir.
Very
before you
good.
said
How you knew? You can read my mind.
it. No, sir.
Okay. Now we
Sir,
will
Because
test our.
whenever
Now-
we make anything with 2 costumes, right? We
Oh,
have to
because it's pretty
always put a
obvious.
lecture.
It's pretty obvious. A coin can't say anything or stuff, so I have to change costume.
So
to
now,
costume.
No, it's
now we
working
will.
for me, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
now we are
can
going to
I-
test it.
After
Wait.
class, can I show you the homework that you gave
Yes,
me?
Dhruv. I'll look at your homework. Okay. Now we will test whatever we have written. Okay. Can you click on this particular sprite, Anya? Wait, Anya. Wait. Let's go back.
Yes, no.
Can you click on this particular sprite? No, over here, Anya. Below.
I got tails, sir.
Then this. Okay. Now let's go full screen. It is working.
Let
For
me also
everyone, it is
open.
working or not? Please check.
Sir, it's not working for me.
It's not
Do I have
working.
to, sir, do I have to put a,
For
Can't
whom
get
it
it.
is not working? For whom it is not working?
sir, do I have to
It's
put a
working.
green flag on top of set head to 0, tail to 0?
Not yet. I'll tell you when to put that.
Yes,
Alright,
sir, it's not working for me.
Okay, Dhruv, please
And
share.
it's going too fast.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
I got
ma'am,
heads.
sir, I mean the thing is
Sir,
that
it's working,
it's
but
not
it's
working
going
for me.
fast.
Yes, we have
It's
not
so
coded for
funny,
it.
sir.
Only wait,
The
guys.
points
Wait.
aren't coming.
Please listen to me. Only thing you need to check when you click over here, does this change or not?
Yes, sir. It changed for me, but it's going very fast. I can't
Okay.
even
So
see
mine,
Yeah,
it.
that is
so
what.
yes, sir. Yeah, it's coming, but it's going very fast for me.
So that's
For
what,
Anya,
right?
it's
When
not coming.
you are going to toss your
is
coin in the
coming.
air, when you're going to toss your coin in the air, the heads and tail will change. That is what it is. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
sir, done.
working,
It's
sir.
working. It's working,
changing.
sir.
It's just
But
Okay.
hers is going
repeating
slow.
rather
It has to go fast.
So if it
Mine's
has to go.
fast. Mine's fast.
No, it's going slow.
Okay, now let's continue to code. Now let me
Wait,
go
you
back
don't
to Agam's
understand.
screen. Agam, please
Sir,
share.
can you just wait for me?
Sir, the thing
Yes.
is the points aren't changing.
Points because we have not coded for it. Anya will code for it. Okay. We still have not coded for it.
Yes, sir, I'm back.
Okay. Now we will continue to code. Okay. Everyone with me? Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, go back to events. Go back to events. You will have
So
something
I'll
called as.
just come back 1 minute.
Okay. Just drag and drop when I receive over here.
The coins,
No, do
In
not
real-
attach. Do not attach. Do not attach.
sir, in real life, coins are small.
Yes, we can make it small also. Okay. All right.
So I made the coin small because in real life it's small.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay, can we continue to code?
So I'm done.
After
I'm just
that-
going, I'll go and get.
Okay.
I'll come back 1 minute.
Now, after that, go to,
Sir, Dhruv's gone again, sir.
okay, go to control, Agam. Go to control. And drag and drop, wait 1 second after that. Very good.
Sir, where should we put? Wait 1 second.
Can you look at Agam's screen? What he has done?
Wait, sir.
Naman, you are able to follow?
I've attached when I received.
Sir,
So we're supposed to do it again when I receive flip.
Flip. Yes, we have to add that block again. Agam, can you show
Okay,
them the
done,
code?
sir.
and then wait 1 second, right, sir?
Yes. Okay. Then let's go back to control. Go back to control.
Sir, we are already in control.
We're already in control.
Okay, very good. Drag and drop if block, if then else block.
If the huge block, right?
Yes, if then else.
If
plus
then,
then
sir.
plus else.
A huge one.
Plus then plus else.
Okay, I took it, sir.
Everyone
Sir.
did?
Sir.
Samara. Sit over here. It's right here.
Behind your video's off.
I know, sir told me to switch it off. So
You can get a charger, no? Get a charger.
that's okay, leave.
Everyone has done?
It's on.
Okay. Naman, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you should watch what Agam is doing. It is slightly complicated. Okay, just first watch what he is doing. Agam, first thing you have to go to. Let's go to operators. There would be something called as equal to 1. Can you this equal to 1? Can you drag and drop? Yes, equal to. Inside that, very good. Okay. Can everyone do
Equal
this?
to 50,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Can everyone do this part? What Agam has done?
Sir, I've done it already, sir.
Okay. Anya, you have done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Naman?
So I'm going to do it now.
Okay.
So the if else should touch the receive when I receive flip. Wait 1 second.
Else should touch. No, it's not like that. Can you see what Agam has done?
Yeah, sir. Both of them are together.
Yes. If then else, right? It's one block as such. If then else.
Equals 50, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Everyone did?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing, sir.
Okay. Now Agam, can you go to looks? And just scroll down slowly. There would be something called as costume number. Just scroll down slowly. Just see, is there a block by name costume number?
Yes.
It will be below costume number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just drag and drop costume number in the first block. Yes.
And wait 1 second, right?
In,
Oh, okay. Wait a second.
okay. Have everyone done this?
Costume number in which
No, sir. No, sir.
And Agam, instead of 50, now make it 1. Replace 50 by 1.
Laziness is asking lift for morning walk.
No. So they can't walk.
Everyone has done this?
Costume number or backdrop number?
Costume number.
You can get down here, wait for the car to pass it like
Costume name, right?
Number. Costume number.
So I have to ask something. In the costumes, can we do like this line?
Can we?
Do this line because I have done this line.
Yes. Okay. You want to? If you want, you can do that also.
Yes, sir. It looks straight.
Okay. Now let's go back to code.
I did do a line.
Everyone has done this. Now let me go to Naman's screen. Naman, can you share?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now let's proceed. Okay.
So can I share my screen?
Okay, Vian, please share.
I know.
Okay, Vian, very good. Then go to your sensing. Go to sensing.
Okay, sir.
Not sensing, sorry. Go to your variables. Go to variables.
Okay, sir.
It would be a drag and drop change block. Change block over here.
Change heads by, sir.
Sir, I
Yes.
put a baseball field.
Okay, very good. And then again, this part will go in the else also.
Change head in if like.
Okay,
right,
now
sir?
now
Sir,
now
change
every
it to tails.
tails. Correct. Okay, so now let's try to understand the coding that has
Take
been
one
done.
more. Sir, one more saying
Sir,
tail.
for me, it's still going
Below
fast.
heads.
Sir,
Sir, one more tails below heads, right?
Yes.
Sprite.
Vian, can you show me the code? Do not play it now. We have the coding is not complete. Okay, I'll tell you when it is complete. Okay. Vian, everyone has done this part first of all. What Vihan has done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vihan, wait, Vihan. Wait, Vihan, make this as 1 instead of 50.
Which,
Make
sir?
it as 1.
okay, sir.
Then put a green flag over here.
Okay, sir.
Now go full screen and show me.
Where do we put the green flag, sir?
Wait, I'll ask my sister what my cousin sister what she'll choose.
Okay.
Tamara, heads tails.
Sir, where do we put the green flag?
We put it above. I'll come to your screen, Anya. Let me
Sir,
first finish it. Yes.
She chose heads.
Okay.
She got heads.
Okay. So she is winning. Okay. Let us do it again. No, this time you won. 6. Okay. Now let me go to Anya's screen, and Vihan, you can play with your sister. Okay, this game. Okay.
Mine is not changing.
Okay, I'll come one by one. And Vihan, you can save this also.
Sir,
Anya,
can
please
I
share.
leave?
Yes, if you want to leave, you can leave, but save your game. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anya, please share.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Vihan. Okay, put a green flag over here, Anya, on the
So
top.
next, can I share?
Yes, bro. To events, yeah, very good. Okay, let's show me your thing. Okay.
Sir?
Okay, heads is winning. Heads is winning. Click again. Always heads is winning. Let's go back and check your code. Okay, tail is winning now. Okay, tail is winning. Okay, show me. So do you have someone to play this game, Anya?
No, I don't have anyone to play this game.
Okay, then you can play with your friends when they come to your home. Okay.
Okay.
So you know how to save it?
I think so. So you go to File, Save to Computer.
Save to your computer. Save to your computer.
So it just save to your computer.
Yes.
Load from your computer. And then here
Then you
it
can
is.
load it. Okay. All right. Then I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Now let me go to Dhruv's screen. Okay. Yes.
Okay, I chose the wrong one by accident.
No. Anya, if you can stop sharing, let me just look at Dhruv.
Stop share.
सर वो टेल्स का काउंट ही नहीं कर रही, जीतने का और हेड्स का ही कर रही है.
Okay, Naman, I'll come and
Can
check
I
your
leave the
code also.
meeting?
Yes, Anya, thank you again. Oh, yours
Please,
is
sir.
very nice. Click to toss.
Both
1,
is
1.
coming 1-1.
Yes. Okay, let's go back and check your code then.
Yeah.
When this is 0, when I click next costume. No, so this head, this tail will come in the else part.
Oh.
Now check it. Okay, all right. So you can play this game.
I'll show you the homework.
Just give me 1 second. Let me just help others. Okay. But first save this one. Okay. Have you saved it?
I'll save it now.
First save it and then, but let me just help Naman. Okay. I'll come back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Naman. Oh, very good, Naman. Okay. Show me your code
I
for the
don't know.
coin. Show
Wait.
me the code for the coin. The green flag over here, Naman. Okay. Now go full screen and show me. Put a green flag again. Okay.
सर अब वो हेड्स बढ़ेगा ही नहीं.
Now it will keep on clicking, right? Keep on clicking for the time being. Okay. Now show me your code again. It's okay. Tail is going up. Okay. Go to your code for the coin. When I receive, wait for 1 second. No, wait. This should be change head, right? Not the set head. Change head. Okay. Now check it. Okay.
Sir, Naman's tail spelling is wrong.
Yes, he will correct it because he was doing it like very fast, right? Okay, Naman. Now let me see what Kevin has done.
Sir, for me now it's working, sir. I had done some adjustment and finally it came. Sir.
Oh, very nice. It looks very good. Click to toss. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. So I just want to make sure you understood the code or not, Kevin.
Yes, sir, I understood it.
Okay.
So can I share the screen?
One last thing, Dhruv. One last. Agam has not shown it. Agam, please show me.
Yes, sir.
Can I leave, sir?
Yes, Kevin. Thank you.
Sir, it is not going. I am clicking it.
Okay, show me your code. When I receive flip, okay, 5 to 35 net costume, wait. And
So check his click to toss one.
click the code for the sprite one. Yeah, check me the code. Broadcast flip. Okay, now show me the code for coin again. Okay. Is it, can you go back to your variables? Go back to the variables where you had the variables. Can you delete this thing? Head and, are we using the same one? No, we are not. Okay. Now wait. Delete. Yeah, just say delete tail list and delete head list. Okay. Show me again, just play it. Now it's working.
Sir, you can see, sir. I am clicking on it.
Sir, I can leave the meeting.
Yes, Naman, you can. Thank you, Raman. Can you give me the remote control, Agam? Okay.
So can I share my screen?
Wait through, let me help him.
Yes, sir. Who's controlling the screen first?
Sir, you have to fill something.
After this, no? After your class closes, after your class closes, make a birthday card for Nana Mom. It's a birthday to you. Nana Mom.
In class?
And send it to you. Okay.
Just try it again, Agam, now.
Sorry, sir. I was talking to my grandmother.
No problem.
Now it is doing. Sir,
No.
it is going too fast.
Because of the
It should
numbers
be
that
like
you have,
that. Sir,
because
it
the
should
numbers
be
that
like
you have
that.
put, right? Okay, if you want to make it slow, then let's go to the coding.
Sometimes only for that class.
And
Because
if
I
I
have
go
raise
to
my hand up
control,
here, I don't need to raise my hand. I don't need to talk.
over here, make weight as 0.25. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's see whether it becomes slow or not. Okay,
So now it is going slow.
So now can I share?
yes, please. But Agam, please share, please save your work. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you, Agam. Okay, Dhruv, please show me your homework.
The homework that you sent.
Yes, you have saved it, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is Scratch 12 SP3.
Oh, very good. Okay. So a rocket is Very good. Very nice. It's coming down also. Very good. Now, do you want to improve on this? Do you want to do the next step?
Okay, so I can sit
Okay.
for half an hour more.
Yeah. So what you should do after this, you should show astronaut coming out of this. Okay. Once it lands on the moon, you should show the astronaut coming out. Okay.
1 second, sir. Nani, I'm not asking for the card. Sir, say we can take this one step further.
Yes. So go to fantasy or somewhere. You will have astronauts, right?
Yes, sir.
Somewhere the astronaut would be there, or this Pico looks like alien, correct?
Which one? Gobo, Nano, or which one?
Or Gobo or Nano, they looks like
Giga?
alien, right? Or Giga also looks like alien. So you
Pico.
can just
Okay,
show
Pico.
you can just show that you have landed on a planet, and then you
I'll
see
take a prince. I'll take a prince.
princess. You will take. Okay, all
Prince.
right.
I said prince.
Okay. So this prince should appear after you have landed. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir?
Yes. So you have to hide this prince. So when the program starts, this prince should not be visible. Okay.
Hide.
Yes. Then you have to wait for 3 seconds or 4 seconds, and then you will show this particular
So here I did 0.1.
0.1. Then let's make it after
Next
4
backdrop
seconds.
is 2. Next backdrop is 2.
Okay, then make it after 3 seconds. Okay.
3 seconds, sir.
Yeah.
Below hide, right, sir?
Okay. And then we should make it show after 3 seconds. Okay, and then put a green flag. And then let's try it. Oh, it has appeared before. We should make it after 5 seconds, okay? Or make it
Yes,
after
sir.
6 seconds.
5.
Make it 6. Instead of wait 3 seconds, make it 6 seconds and see.
So see, sir, I made it y by 10, up arrow 10,
Very good.
minus 10, x 10. Because we do a lot of those front side back
Yes.
projects, right? So I keep
Yeah.
remembering it.
Very good.
So try now, sir.
Yeah.
No, it's too early.
Oh, yeah. Now make it 8 to 10 seconds. So you have to keep on changing the seconds to see like when it should come, okay?
I did 2 more seconds. No,
Make it 12 seconds then.
I think 10, sir.
Make it
Let's
12
try 10
as-
first.
Okay. We make it 12. Okay. All right. Agam, anything else?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you, Agam. Thank you, Dhruv. I'll talk to you tomorrow then. Okay.
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye.
1 minute, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, Dhruv. Good job, Dhruv.
Thank you, sir.